In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban someone from a Facebook page. If you manage a Facebook page and need to prevent a specific person from interacting with it, Facebook gives you a simple way to do that. This can be useful if someone is posting unwanted comments, sending inappropriate messages, or repeatedly disrupting your page activity. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it quickly and confidently. First, go to Facebook and log in to the account that manages the page. Make sure you're using an account with permission to control page settings and actions. Once you're signed in, open the Facebook page where you want to ban the person. It's important to start from the correct page, especially if you manage more than one. Next, open the person's profile. There are a couple of common ways to find them. If they've already commented on one of your posts or interacted with your page, you can usually click or tap their name from that comment or post. In some cases, you may also be able to find them through your page's followers list or audience list, depending on what's available in your page view. The goal here is simply to get to that person's profile or profile options connected to your page. Once you've found the person, look for the options menu. This is usually shown as the three dots next to the person's name or somewhere on their profile. Tap or click those three dots to open more actions. Facebook sometimes updates its layout, so the placement may look slightly different depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, but the three-dot menu is usually where these controls are located. From that menu, choose the option that says ban from page, block from page, or something similar. The exact wording can vary a little, but it will clearly indicate that the person will be removed from interacting with your page. After selecting it, confirm your choice when Facebook asks. This final confirmation helps make sure you don't block someone by mistake. After the ban is in place, the person will no longer be able to post on your page, comment on your page's posts, send messages to your page, or like or follow the page. That's a good way to verify the action worked as intended. And that's it. Once you know where to look, banning someone from a Facebook page is a straightforward process. Just make sure you're acting from the correct page, check the menu carefully, and confirm the action when prompted.